the commercial and financial hub of China and one of the biggest cities in the world. On China's central coast, Shanghai is largest city by population, has always had strong ties to commerce and trade, as it sits on the Yangtze River in the middle of the country and has traditionally acted as an international port between China and the rest of the world. Today, with a population of 24 million people, Shanghai's infrastructure is rapidly developing to support its growing population, and that infrastructure sure makes it hard to deny the growth of this megalopolis. For most of China's history, it has been separated from the rest of the world by its natural borders, and later during the Cold War, by political divides as well. But with the development of major infrastructure projects like the Qingdao-Haiwan Bridge and the Shanghai Metro, this city in East China has become a portal to the rest of Asia and the world beyond. The history of Shanghai is one of a booming economy with skyscrapers replacing slums and factories. The city has been through many stages and has seen an amazing transformation from being a small fishing village to a thriving metropolis. Today, most Chinese people believe that this is where their country's future will take place. Historically speaking, Shanghai had been China's largest city until being overtaken by Beijing in the 1920s. It also used to be Asia's largest city until 1991, when it was surpassed by Tokyo. Shanghai has been an important international trading port since the 1920s, but lost its position as East Asian hub after trade shifted from sea transport to air transport beginning in the 1970s. Today, more than half of all cargo passing through Port of Shanghai comes from outside China. Shanghai, as a destination city, has a lot to offer with its beautiful infrastructure. A walk down Nanjing Road gives you access to shopping malls, restaurants, and luxury hotels. The Bund is one of the most famous areas in Shanghai and provides stunning views across the Huangpu River. The city has seen rapid development over the last few decades. In 1990, Shanghai's GDP was less than $60 billion, but today it has grown to about $450 billion. This growth can be attributed to many factors including land policies, foreign investment, government cooperation, and international trade. In 2001, Shanghai became a member of the World Trade Organization, WTO. In 2009, for example, 19% of all world The skyscrapers that line the banks on both sides of the Huangpu River are some of the tallest in Asia. From gardens filled with flowers and trees to public plazas and lush green spaces, there's something for everyone. The weather can be hot or cold depending on when you visit, but it never rains, so bring your umbrella just in case. In 1843, Shanghai was known as a fishing village and small market town. However, as it became an international metropolis and a booming port city, it also acquired its reputation for being an open city to all nations. The development of modern-day Shanghai can be seen through its infrastructure, which includes buildings and various modes of transportation that allow people to commute around the large city easily. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button below and make sure you subscribe to see our new future videos. Also, please let us know in the comment section what is your favorite place that everyone should visit. Be blessed and thanks for watching.